Hello everybody, this is Divya here, and today we're going to see importance of fish inclusion into the diet. We're going to see the benefits of fish and how it's beneficial to our body. One of the two important things which is very much abundant in fish is the protein source and omega-3 fatty acids. These omega-3 fatty acids are very much essential to our body because it is not synthesized in our body, it is not produced in our body. So we have to compensate the requirement through outside diet, and fish is a very good source of both the protein and omega-3 fatty acids. So we're going to see how important it is into our diet. As I said, protein is the highest source in fish inclusion. Having said that, it is a very good source in amino acids. The amino acids which is present, it is very much biological protein. It's a complete protein, we can say. Other sources are like partial protein, and it doesn't equalizes the requirement. But the protein which is present in fish it is very much complete protein. Just like the egg, we can say it's a biological protein. So someone who is planning to have a weight gain or lean mass, they can make sure the inclusion of fish is very much into the diet, and almost like 3 to 4 weeks into their diet. And one more thing, as I said, omega-3 fatty acids, what does it has various roles, and we're going to discuss on certain few points what it does too. So actually what it does is it lowers the bad cholesterol and increases your good cholesterol level. So omega-3 fatty acids are very much essential even during the pregnancy. If the mother has been taking good amount of fish inclusion into her diet, the reports and the research have been said, and it is proven that the brain development of the fetus will be very much improved, the cognitive functions of the brain, and because of the factors like EPA and DHA. These are the fatty acids which is present in omega-3, and these will produce in the body, and the brain development will be improved. This is already proven. What are the other things which is present in fish which can be beneficial to our body is like it is a good source of zinc and iron as well. So zinc has a very good it moisturizes your skin, it gives a suppleness, it adds brightness to your skin. So if you are making sure the fish is being included into your diet like 3 to 4 days, you can definitely see a difference in the complexion of your skin, the way it is, and the moisture content of the skin automatically improves. There is one more beneficial factor. As it is, fish is a seafood, there is a good source of iodine as well. So people who are imbalance of thyroid hormones, they can make sure that iodine is being supplied through fish inclusion into their diet. And as I always also said, like DHA and EPA are very good plays an important role in brain functioning of the fetus and during the pregnancy of the mother, but it is also has a good effect on lowering your depression level as well. So if you are taking good amount of fish, and if you are also always a non-veg lover to take non-veg into your diet, make sure the fish is also present. And people who are looking for weight loss and all that, as I said, protein and omega-3 is high and it is lower in fat. So people who are looking for weight loss and they are still a non-veg lover, they can include fish into their diet. So it is automatically lower in fat, and still you will get the protein source and you will hit your target. So the bottom line is the fish is a very good source of omega-3 and protein, and it can act for any goal which you are looking forward. It is a very vital and essential nutrient which is not present in our body, so please do make inclusion into your diet.